just like a soldier. I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over. I'm just like a soldier. I keep on moving forward.
Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how in 5 minutes using your PC make a stylish animation for an artist or a beat maker. To get started, open the project folder and double-click on the file to launch After Effects. We see that there are many layers here, but we won't be using all of them. Let's begin with the third layer from the bottom. This is a folder called Cover. Double-click on it, and here we need to replace the existing cover with ours. The size of the cover is 3000 to 3000, so you can use a cover of any size and adjust it as needed. Open the folder containing your cover. Click and drag the cover into the After Effects window. Press and hold the Alt key while using the mouse wheel to zoom in and out of the project. We need to click here and hold down the Shift key to stretch our cover to fit. Just like that. Now we can close this window, and we see that our cover has changed both in front and on our background. We see that this color remains blue from the last cover, because the last cover was in blue shades, so we need to change it to red ones. To change it to red, locate the light layer. If the Effects Controls panel isn't already open, open it. Adjust the color balance to achieve the desired red tint. Leave the Gaussian blur, as is to maintain a smooth light effect. Now it's time to add your track to the project. Drag and drop your track to the top of the timeline. I recommend trimming it to 15 seconds using an online service before importing it into After Effects. Drag and drop it up here and check the length of the track. We have a template for 15 seconds. Now it remains to render the whole project. Click File, Export, Add to Render Queue. In the Output Module section, click on Lossless, and in the opened window, select the QuickTime format. The rest of the settings leave as default and click OK. Here we click on Comp1, that is the name of our project, and save it to your preferred location. That's it for now. You can find the project file in the description below. Have a great day and goodbye.